Now pH of solution. What is the meaning of pH of solution and where we are using these fundamental property, that is pH of solution. Before starting with pH of solution, let's revise the meaning of dissociation. You know the meaning of dissociation I already explained. The number of H plus or OH ion minus OH minus ions dissociate in the water. That is the meaning of dissociation, means replaced by the water. Water push the ions present in the solution. That is the meaning of dissociation. So number of H plus ions or OH minus ions dissociated by water. It gives the meaning of acid or base. So whenever we are calculating or counting the number of H plus ions or number of OH minus ions, it gives the meaning of concentration of acid or dilution of acid, or how many numbers of molecules are dissociated in one molecule or 1 molar solution, that way. So in case of this H plus and OH minus ions dissociation, it gives the idea about the substance property, that is the substance is acidic in nature or basic in nature, depending upon how many H plus ions are dissociated or how many OH minus ions are dissociated. So how we are measuring the length with the help of some unit. There is a particular unit. So in the same way, here also the pH value measures the acidity or basicity of the given solution. In general or in our day-to-day life, we heard about the types of the soils. Different types of the soils are there, and it gives the different types of the crops available, the minerals present in the soil. So sometimes we heard that the soil is acidic in nature or basic in nature. So what is the meaning of acidic or basic in nature? So whenever we are applying some fertilizers or manure to the soil, so minerals are added in the soil, and when we are watering the plant, that time they are dissolving in water and dissociation takes place. So as many number of H plus ions are dissociated by the water, the soil shows acidic in nature, and that many numbers of OH minus ions are dissociated by water, the soil shows basic in nature, and sometimes maybe it is balanced, so it is a neutral. So depending upon the dissociation of H plus or OH minus ion, acidity or basicity depends upon it. Second example is a fermentation process. In the fermentation process also some changes takes place. For example, milk changed to curd. That is the fermentation process. So in this fermentation process also, this same criteria, that is, these ions are displaced or dissociated. The number of ions dissociated depends upon how the material or that material is changing into the new form. So if more numbers of H plus ions are dissociated, then it is considered to be the acid. If more numbers of OH minus ions are dissociated, when it is dissolved in water, it shows the basic in nature. So to calculate how it is basic or the acidic in nature, the pH value gives the meaning of acidic or basic. So here the graph of pH scale is given like this. It starts from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 is counted to be the middle one, so here is 7. Vice versa on this side also, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and this one is 14. So 14 is the last one. In this way, pH scale is given. pH means protons. Pot Potence means strength of acid, strength of a base. So how can we measure the strength? So we can measure the strength with the help of this graph. Now here 0 is represented, 0 pH value represented acid, and 14 is the base. This 7 pH value 7 is neutral. So when we are going from 0 to 6, then acid goes on decreasing, that is it becomes dilute and up till here is a neutral one. In the case of opposite side, when the value goes on increasing, the dilute base becomes concentrated at this point 14 pH value, the base is the concentrated one. So for the value of pH value of 0, the acid is concentrated, and for the pH value 14, the base is concentrated. Here this one is the neutral. So the pH value 7, those chemicals which shows the pH value 7, they are neutral, considered to be neutral. So in this way we are using the pH scale to represent the acid or base pH value depending upon how they are concentrated or dilute. So this graph shows the concentrated of acid and the base. So on this side for 0 value, HCl is concentrated, and then it is goes on dilute form till here 6.9. It shows very dilute one, and at the 7 it shows the neutral value. Same way from 7.1 the basicity goes on increasing. Here acidity goes on decreasing, while here basicity goes on increasing. So with the help of the pH value, pH solution, we can decide the nature of acid or base. So now I am reading this paragraph. We have seen that acids and bases dissociate to smaller or larger extent on dissolving in water, forming H plus or OH minus ions respectively. H plus and OH minus ions are found in different proportion in all natural aqueous solution, and that determines the properties of those solution. For example, the proportion of H plus and OH minus ion divides soil into acidic, neutral and basic type of soil. It is necessary for blood cell sap, etc. to have H plus or OH minus ions in certain definite proportion for their proper functioning. Fermentation carried out with the help of microorganisms, other biochemical process, and also many chemical processes require the proportion of H plus and OH minus ions to be maintained within the certain limits. Pure water also undergoes dissociation to a very small extent and give rise to H plus and OH minus ions in equal proportion. Due to this property, water to undergo dissociation, there exist both H plus and OH minus ions in any aqueous solution. However, their concentration may be different, and that is why water is said to be the neutral one, because here H plus and OH minus concentrations are balanced in case of water or in case of the neutral substance. Now just now I described this, at the pH value 0, the HCl acid is more concentrated, while at this point 14 pH value the base is concentrated. So this fundamental property of pH value gives the number of moles. The concentration of H plus ions formed by dissociation of water at 25 degrees Celsius is 1 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 7 mole per liter. So fundamental property, that is, if we are calculating mole per liter, then mole per liter is equal to 1 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 7. At 7, this is the neutral one. Now in case of acid, it is 0. So at 25 degree centigrade temperature, acid shows 1 multiplied by 10 raised to 0. 10 raised to 0 value. Now 10 raised to 0, any number raised to 0 is answer 1. So at 25 degree centigrade, 1 mole of acid gives the pH value, that is, it is converted into the molarity of the solution 1 multiplied by 10 raised to 0 in case of acid. At the same temperature, in case of base, it is 1 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 14 in case of base.